everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do Eniola's hair in a style that you all have been asking for, and that is in a loose twist hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is for the front of our hair, I'm going to put in some cornrow, just a little bit, and then the back of our hair will be putting in the loose twist. A section of the top of our hair and the back of the hair is just like this. Before we start, I'll be showing you the difference between a normal twist and a loose twist. So just section it like an oval. The way you part doesn't really matter, but when it comes to loose twist, I find that not making it too big is the best way to go. So now we have this hair section. I'm going to spray with just a light amount of water. Now, one question that somebody had was that is it better to do loose twist on freshly washed hair, or is it better to do it on hair that has been stretched? Doing loose twist is best on hair that has been stretched. What we did last night was that she washed her hair and used the leave-in conditioner and put her hair to twist, and then today I just moisturized her hair. I just combed out her hair. So what I'm doing now is I'm moisturizing the hair. Now when you do a normal twist, for a normal twist, this is what you do. You take the hair, section it like this into two, and then you're just interchanging the hair. Your finger appears the same way, flat like this. So that is what creates a normal twist. You can see with a normal twist, the dimension is quite thick and is quite gathered together, and the length is like this. So this is what a normal twist looks like. Now to do a loose twist is much different. So when you want to do a loose twist at the base of the hair, make sure you do it tightly. So I'm splitting it in two, and I'm starting off as if I am doing a normal rope twist or a normal twist. Okay, so I do it tightly at the base like this. I kind of like doing about 4 or 5 go around, and then this is where it becomes loose. So you start by skipping, you're gliding your fingers through like that. So you are gliding your fingers as if you are trying to finish off a task. So you're not making it so tight, and you're guiding your finger like that. So we're going to keep on doing it. So you see, I'm just going loosely like that. I'm not speeding up at all. So this is what makes it a loose twist. It's very flat. Now what I noticed about a loose twist is, and you have to get used to it, with a loose twist, it can appear rough looking. It doesn't appear as neat as a normal twist. It has come on like a 1 week look, as if, oh, how long have we done this twist for? It's been forever. So here you can see the difference between a loose twist and a normal twist. What we're going to do is that I'm going to put our hair fully in loose twist and show you the end result, and you can see how it appears on our hair.
Where are we going this time? I'm tired of staying, playing out this lie. We were just trying, why are we dying inside? Our love is iron, hypnotized for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can.
Okay, so this is what the front looks like. You can kind of see it. How it looks is simple. I'm going to do the last one on camera just to show you. If you want to learn tips about making cornrows so that they look very neat, you can click on that card that just popped up, or look in the description area and look at the first comment in this video. You'll also be able to find it there. So the key thing, of course, is to always moisturize the hair. I'm adding water, and then I'm using this is the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. That is all I'm using on the hair area. So just put that on the hair. So after combing it through, the next thing is, so that to have some form of hold, I'm using a gel, the Style Factor fitting gel edge booster, and this is it. So you just want to take a little bit of it, oops, excuse me, and you want to take a little bit of it, and you're going to put it to the base of the hair, right over here.
But we can go, don't know why. I refuse to leave someone I should behind, but it works out fine. I keep on holding on to you. I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing, you keep on showing me we lose.
So once you're done over here, so some people, what they do is they'll put a rubber band at this base, but you really don't have to put a rubber band. We're gonna do the loose twist again. The way you do loose twist, especially when you have a cornrow part, is if you're gonna have 3 strands of hair from the cornrow. Take the middle one, split that into half. Once you split that into half, what you want to do is that you want to do a tight twist at that base area. So you're gonna make the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're doing it very tight. If you look at it, you can see that the threads are really tight. Once you do that tight, now it is time to do the loose twist portion. To do the loose twist portion, we're not going to make it so tight, we're going to make it loose. So you can see how I'm taking the hair and I'm making it loose like that. When you get to the very end of the hair, I want to say about an inch to the very end of the hair, what you're going to do is you are going to, so this is the very end of the hair right there. And when you get to the very end of the hair right there, you're going to do another tight twist. So I'm doing the twist very tight. Okay, I'm sorry it's not focusing. Okay, so we're gonna do it very tightly like that. So do it very tightly. So now this is the complete look. You can see it from the front area. This is what it looks like in the front. And then the back, you can see it has that loose look to it. So this is the loose look to it. So this is the very back of the hair. You can see how loose it is. With loose twist, I love loose twist, because loose twist gives you the illusion of fullness in the hair and stuff. So this is what it looks like in the very back. And she can style it whichever way you want to see it. So next time when you see her on camera, she's going to do a twist out with this style, and you'll be able to see how it looks when the loose twist is twisted out. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.